The intelligent new Mahindra XUV700 assists you to maintain lanes. If by chance you are moving out of the lane, it will warn you with an alarm. Here is how to enable and disable Lane Keep Assist. Press the menu button situated on the right-hand side of the steering wheel. Under the Settings menu, seen on the instrument cluster, select Driver Assistance and scroll down to select Lane Keep Assist. You will get three options to choose from: Off, Warning Only, and Warning Assist. Select the last option to get the Lane Keep system activated. If you wish to enable only the lane departure warning, then you may select the second option, that is, Warning Only. The Lane Keep Assist and the Lane Departure Warning system can detect two lane colors on the road, white and yellow. The system can detect dashed line, solid line, single line, and double line type of markings on the road. When lanes are not detected by the system, lane warning will be in standby mode and lane departure warning on the cluster will be displayed in white color. Similarly, when the system is able to detect the lanes, the lane markings on the instrument cluster will turn to green color and out lane warning will also be displayed in green color. When the vehicle is close to either the left or the right lane boundary, the lane departure warning on the cluster will blink and the lane marking color of the respective side will change to yellow color on the cluster to denote the imminent danger. A haptic and audio alert will also be provided to warn the driver about the lane departure. The warning will be stopped either when the vehicle changes the lane completely or if the vehicle returns back to the original lane.